You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video.
Hi everyone, this is Emmy, and today I'm going to show you how to do this crocheted bag.
Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain any length that you would like. I started with chain 20.
If you would like a larger bag, then you're going to chain more stitches, but always ending with an even number, such as 20, 22, 24. Okay, the pebble stitch is quite easy to do. It's simply a single crochet in one stitch, the next stitch is a double crochet, then a single, a double, a single, and double. And in the following row, you're going to make a double in the single and a single in the double. So it's really pretty easy, so I'm just going to show you that. So here's the first stitch from the hook, and here's the second. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. And then I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet, double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that across the row. Okay, I've gone across the row, and I've made one single and one double, one single, one double, one single, one double. Keep track of the stitch you ended in. I ended in a single crochet, and because it was a single crochet, I'm now going to make a chain 2, because that would be the equivalent of a double crochet. And so in the next stitch, it was a double crochet. I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. The next stitch was a single crochet. I'm going to double crochet in that stitch. I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and I'm going to continue across the row. And this pebble stitch is great because it's not as easily identified as a crochet stitch, and it gives you a more dense stitch. I'm just going to show you that. So this is only 2 rows, and as you can see, it has a lovely texture, and that's exactly how you make the pebble stitch.
And you're going to work a rectangle like this, approximately 18 inches long. And then you're going to fold this over like this. You're going to sew down the 2 sides. And then this will form the flap. You can turn that over like that, and that will be your flap. And if you'd like a rigid bag, you can fold some plastic canvas and slide that down inside the bag. And then you could either sew these kind of bag handles on. If you're going to use a round handle, you're going to slide that inside the flap like that. And then just on the flap section, you would slide the bag handle inside, and then on the inside here, you could just sew that onto the bag handle. And if it is a rigid bag, if you have slid this inside, then you could use some of these detachable straps and attach them on each side.